Excursion. The Nigerian Federation of Catholic Students Holy Family Chaplaincy FUNAI chapter presents her first picnic/excursion program. Experience the warm touch of nature as we walk you through the 6 phases of nature, from wildlife at the canopy walkway to fascinating view of the spring waterfalls, the serene view at the aeroplane field viewpoint, facilities tour, and not forgetting a trip to the grotto and holy mountain. Recreational activities and raffle draw have also been arranged to spice up the trip. For booking and inquiries, contact the following. Tickets are available at 10,000 naira only for all levels, excluding freshers. Register now and get 5% discount for early birds. Instrumental payment is allowed. Sign up today. See you in Calabar.